So when I look, Darren, and I'll keep the question same back to you. I look at some of these massive enterprise manufacturers who you need an IT team or staff. Just you talk about your wide swath and portfolio
Yeah.
from 250 kilometers down to 300 meters, and if I got those metrics right. But talk to us a little bit about the very places you talked about, clinics, dental offices, things like that. The dentist may be the IT guy, and
Yeah.
you don't have a team of people to do that. How are you guys helping, and why does Cambium make it simple?
That's a fantastic point, and I've been saying this quite a bit. What I People are asking me, how can we make everything remote? And that means they don't want any equipment. They want the minimum infrastructure on site that they can get away with. And that actually plays to the strength of ARI solution as well. When you have that integrated solution, same thing with Cambium, you have this integrated enterprise Wi-Fi solution that is 100% cloud. Now, what is cloud? It's a word we've been using that word for a long time. Everything seems to be in the cloud. Why? Why? And it's not about money. People say, "Oh, cloud is cheaper." Well, let me tell you why cloud. Cloud never sleeps. Cloud is up 724, 24 by 7. Cloud is redundant. Cloud is backed up automatically. Cloud has redundant paths. It's secure. It's designed to be secure. That's what cloud is. Everything you want your IT network and infrastructure to be in the cloud. Redundant. Cloud never sleeps. So when you go on premises, on site, because unfortunately we do have to have things on site. Restaurants have to be on site. Dentist offices, somebody has to clean my teeth. So when you go on site, you want the equipment there to be fully enabled, provisioned, adopted, completely managed from the cloud without putting a controller or a device on site to do it. That way, the IT guy can do his work remotely. He doesn't have to go on site to analyze the network, to see if there's issues, to troubleshoot. He can do everything through the cloud remotely. Cambium has been doing that, and so the nice thing, what the pandemic has done is it's really exposed this advantage to our larger audience that Cambium already has. So
Very cool.
That's how we're helping people
Love
make
it.
everything remote.
And really that management platform, and I've had my hands on it. I have a sales and marketing role. They don't let me touch too many of the buttons in the IT group myself. But looking at the platform with CN Maestro and working with our engineering group, really simple platform, single pane of glass. You guys have done a really excellent job there.